let's try the Australian Tim Tams.
That looks remarkably like a penguin biscuit.
No, they're different, Megan. You don't understand.
Why are you so Team Tim Tam?
Team Tim Tam. What are you? I'm Team Jacob, Team Edward, Team Tim Tam. Because they're meant to be like, everyone's meant to try them. Apparently they're like the Australian chocolate. Okay, I just tried one and yep, they are just penguin bars.
0.5.
Decent 0.5 health rating. That's good.
Oh, that must be like...
Are you ready? It's 6:30 and we've got half an hour now until we get onto the bus. We're outside the Oakley shop. That's where the bus comes and picks everyone up. Right?
This is the main stop.
Welcome aboard and welcome to Auckland. Now this is not our capital city, but it is our largest city and it's the largest by far. Now Auckland has the nickname City of Sails. If you have a look across to your right hand side, you'll see a rather large marina. That's one of about 15 large marinas in the Auckland region. They reckon that 1 in 4 households in Auckland have a boat of some description. And if everything goes to plan today, we should be rocking into the Bay of Islands around midday and be all parked up not long after that.
This is our first stop. So we've come from Auckland, we're heading up to the Bay of Islands and this is Warkworth.
There's only 19 people in our bus, it's like half full.
Yeah, that's pretty handy. So everyone gets 2 seats each.
We had to come last month between like December and February or maybe November. It would be really busy. We've got the afternoon in Pahia and then tomorrow the day trip to Cape Ranga. That's included in our pass, but you could add it on extra if it's not available.
And I got a pie as well. So New Zealand's quite famous for their pies. I got a vegetarian pie. It's delicious. It's good, yeah?
Puka Puka Island.
Puka Puka Island.
Or Tohi Bay, we just came into.
The grass here is so soft, it's like walking on sponges. So there's like loads of different walks you can do. They're different sort of steepnesses and levels.
We can do a medium one.
Yeah, because we're not hard, are we? That was fun, wasn't it?
Woohoo!
Yeah. We're staying at Base Hostel on King's Road. This is the one they put you in. The music starts at 12, but it's really loud, so if you go to bed anywhere before 12 o'clock, you're going to hear the music. Which, for us, it's not really fast, but say if you're an older person or someone who's not really into that and want to get an early night, maybe this hostel isn't for you. Also, in the room, there's only one plug socket, and that's right by the door, and it's like halfway up the wall as well. So if you have a small phone lead, your phone's going to dangle down. It's like a bog standard, but it is cheap as well.
Oh yeah, yep.
I remember way back in the days playing hot piece of butter. I stay up late, hit the crates and create.
That's insane. So we're in Cody Forest and it's full of these ancient trees. They're young in terms of this tree. So this one's only 2,000 years old, but it's absolutely massive. These trees used to cover New Zealand almost completely, but when the English settlers came, like Captain Cook, in the 18th century, or 17th century, 18th century, they shut them all down for farmland. Luckily though, this area, the soil wasn't good enough for the farmland, so they kept it. The jungle is my soup. So someone swam from here all the way over to those tiny islands.
I thought we were flying off.
Nah.
You are stoked.
Dolphins.